If you have 50,000 naira or less and you have been searching for a portable, loud, basic speaker that actually give you what you pay for, you just have to sit back and watch this. This is the full review of the Oraimo Spacebox Active. We'll look at everything from the design to the hidden app features that most people don't even know about. Before we get into all of that, if you end up liking this speaker and you want to pick one up for yourself, it costs around 51,900 naira, though you will get a 5% discount on the Oraimo official website just by using my coupon code displayed on the screen right now, and I have also put it down in this video description for easy access. You definitely don't want to pay full price when you can easily save up for some more, right? All right, let's start by talking about the design and build quality. The moment you take the Spacebox Active out of the box, you can tell that it is built for the outdoors. It has this really tough woven fabric finishing all around it that makes it easy to grip and hold in one hand. It doesn't feel cheap or plastic like some other budget speakers. You can comfortably throw it in your backpack or carry it around without worrying about the scratching. Oraimo really made sure it feels premium while keeping the weight balanced, so it isn't a burden to carry on long walk. I love the fact that they added an adjustable lanyard for easy grip and it feels tough and thick. One of the biggest selling points of the Oraimo Spacebox Active is the IP rating. It comes with IP55 dust and water resistance rating. Now, what does that actually mean? It means in day-to-day use, the speaker is sealed tight to protect it from mild dust and water splashes. You can confidently take it outside, leave it by the poolside, or get caught up in light rain showers, and the speaker will survive without any issue. It gives you that peace of mind that a little water doesn't destroy your your investment. Now, looking at the controls, you have 5 main buttons. You'll find the power button and the Bluetooth button sitting right at the top. If you double press that power button, it lets you switch between modes like FM radio, Bluetooth and SD card if you have one plugged in. The Bluetooth button is also simple. Press it once, it will go to pairing mode, or double press it if you want to use the TWS features to connect two of these speakers together for that stereo sound. Then right at the front, you have your volume and play pause buttons. These are very straightforward, so you won't have any trouble figuring out how to control your music on the go. Now let's move to the smart features, which is where things get really interesting. To get the best out of this speaker, you need to connect it to the Oraimo Sound App on your phone. The app integration is so smooth that it opens up a lot of controls. First, the app shows you your exact battery stats instead of you guessing how much power you have left based on the blinking light on the speaker. You can open the app and see the exact battery percentage. This is super helpful when you have or when you are planning to take it out on a day and you want to know if you need to charge it first. The Oraimo Sound App also gives you a total control of how the speaker sounds. You are not just stuck with the factory sound settings. Inside the app, you can play around with the EQ to match whatever you are listening to. They have 4 presets and the HavyBass is the default EQ. But the best part is that you can add your own custom EQ. If you feel like a song needs more bass or you want the vocals to be sharper, you just slide the controls in the app and the speaker responds instantly. It is a really nice touch and it lets you personalize the audio just the way you want it. Another major feature hidden in the app is the FM radio control. Instead of pressing buttons on the speaker and blindly searching for the signal, the app does all the hard work for you. You can use it to automatically scan the airwaves and find clear frequencies. Then you can save up to 10 of your favorite radio stations right there in the app. There is this nice playtime boost mode feature that helps you to extend battery life when you have a low battery. What it does is that it turns off EQ and removes the bass. Additionally, you can also disable the voice prompt you hear when using the speaker and turning it off and on via the Oraimo Sound App. When it comes to actually connecting your device, the speaker uses Bluetooth 6.0. You get a solid 10-meter range so you can walk around your room or in the yard with your phone in your pocket and the music will keep playing smoothly without any glitch. Now, aside from Bluetooth Oraimo still included a memory card slot. Just load up a memory card with your favorite playlist, plug it into the side of the speaker, and let the music play all day. Let's talk about the sound quality, because this is what really matters, right? This Spacebox Active packs a 25-watt outage. For the price, you get a surprisingly rich sound. Oraimo included their exclusive HavyBass algorithm, which really pushes those low frequencies. When you play heavy beats, the bass has a nice thumping effect, but it doesn't drown out the treble or the vocals, even at maximum volume. The audio stays clear and doesn't sound distorted. But if you want an even bigger sound, maybe for a house party, you can actually pair two of these Spacebox Active speakers together for a true left and right sound experience. Dual device stereo or dual device stereo playing is a technology that allows two separate Bluetooth speaker or earphone to pair with each other and act as a single combined stereo system. This is a sound test of how the speaker sounds like. Alright guys, this is a sound test of the Oraimo Spacebox Active. I'm going to play random music, and at the end of this section you are just going to tell me how good the quality of the sound is. Let's get started with this. Okay, that's a quick sound test of the Oraimo Spacebox Active. You can tell me in the comment section what you think about the quality of the sound. The next thing I'm going to test right now is the mic quality. I have to stop this and head over to my sound recorder. The app I am using to record is the Google Recorder, which allows me to select different input devices as mic. Right here you can see my Oraimo Spacebox Active is the one that is currently selected for recording. Let me get closer to the speaker so that I'll be able to record. Testing 1 2 3. All right, the sound they are hearing right now is coming directly from the Oraimo Spacebox Active. I want to know what you think about the quality of the mic. If this is okay for voice calls, group calls, anything at all, or it can be WhatsApp calls, anything. But at the end of the day, it all depends on what you want. For me, the quality of this Spacebox mic is okay for random calls and any of those your group meeting, online meeting of any sort. That's it for the mic test and the sound quality. Tell me in the comment section what you really think about the mic quality and also the sound quality. Okay, down to business. No, we are rising. Battery life is another huge win for the Oraimo Spacebox Active. It houses a 3000 mAh battery inside. If you are listening at a medium volume, which is honestly loud enough for your room, it will give you up to 14 hours of continuous playtime. Even if you max out the volume, you are still getting around 5 to 7 hours. And if you are out camping or out for a whole day, you can turn on the playtime boost mode from the app, which uses lesser power to extend the battery even further. Whenever it finally dies, it charges back up through a standard Type-C port, which is very convenient since you can just use your phone charger. Overall, the Oraimo Spacebox Active offers a lot of premium features without that crazy high price tag we see on other brands. It really stands out as a solid choice for anyone who wants a great sound on the go. Now currently the price for this speaker is currently 51,900 naira, but if you are thinking about picking one up for yourself, you can actually get it for less if you head over to the official Oraimo website and use my coupon code displayed on the screen or in this video description. You will get up to 5% discount. They will also send you the device for free. That's free delivery. That's a nice deal, right? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. My name is Mr. Roy and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.